There is a subtle spiritual intelligence in financial contentment. Whatever our financial situation may currently look like, applying a feeling of contentment to it anyway has a way of allowing a subtle intelligence to bloom. An intelligence that seems to align with a more spiritual appreciation. We're not talking passive contentment here that rejects ambition. A passive contentment that veers off into a more spiritual bypass kind of place. No, instead a peaceful awareness that life is happening now. Whatever our financial situation may be, life is still happening right now. Life is not only happening in some imagined future, a fantastical land where every problem disappears. It can be easy at times to dip our awareness into these more escapism realities. And that can be okay at times if we don't overindulge to the point where we disassociate entirely. It's also not just only happening in some previous reality. Whatever our financial situation may have been in the past, that may be influencing or affecting our current situation. It has been. It is no longer technically here, although yes, it may have influence on the here and now. But having a peaceful sense of awareness about the influences of the past and the future, without indulging in either of them too much, can remind us that all that is really happening is what is happening right now. Money can improve life greatly, but it cannot replace this place of presence. And it's usually from this very place of presence that we can enjoy our financial situation even more. And it's usually from this place that the best kind of financial ideas, moves about money will come from. When we constantly rush toward wealth or finding money, transactions, settling a deal, working our butts off to create the next big thing, we can sometimes miss the reality that we were hoping the wealth or the money or the agreement or the contract or the idea, we sometimes miss the reality that we were hoping to find from that very thing. The healthiest relationship with money often includes gratitude alongside this ambition. Present gratitude for our current situation, and also a sense of gratitude for having ambition to continue expanding, learning, growing, creating. Because with this genuine gratitude, it will soften fear, reminding the mind that even while building toward larger goals, life probably already contains the moments that we are seeking, despite our money-making schemes. And in noticing and allowing these moments, this will somehow allow more financial contentment, more financial flow, more financial momentum to be active and present in our life.